Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by powering on the Apple TV and picking up the Siri remote. Once done, choose your language and region. Those affect network settings and time zone. Make sure you have the correct Wi-Fi name and password handy, and check whether your router is on too. 4 GHz or 5 GHz since range and compatibility differ. Put the Apple TV closer to the router if the signal is weak, and briefly disable any VPN or guest captive portal on the network. You'll navigate to Settings, then Network, and then Wi-Fi to see available networks. This is where you perform the core action. Once you see your SSID, select it and enter the password using the remote. Type slowly and confirm characters, because one wrong digit stops the handshake. If your network is hidden, select Join Other Network and manually enter the SSID and security type. You must match the router's encryption, WPA2, WPA3, so the Apple TV and router can establish a secure link. After entering the password, check Settings Network to confirm the Apple TV shows connected and an IP address. This proves DHCP succeeded. If it fails, restart the Apple TV and the router, then retry. Reboots resolve most DHCP or transient issues. Make sure the Apple TV has the latest TV OS. Outdated software can cause compatibility glitches. If problems persist, try a manual IP configuration or reset network settings, and then contact your ISP or Apple support with the IP and error messages ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.